Today we're going to be talking about epistasis, which is the where the expression of alleles at one loci masks the expression of alleles at another loci. Specifically, we're going to be talking about single recessive epistasis, which means that in order for one to mask the other, it has to have two recessive alleles at that loci. So in our case, if they have two recessive B alleles, it'll mask the expression of the color at the A allele. So we're going to be using little tiles. And so our teal tile and our pink tile. So pink will be recessive. So if it has two little a's, it's going to be pink. Now, say that only has one, it's indeterminate. If it gets another big A and has something, it's going to express the teal color because of just regular inheritance. But then as we go to the B locus, if it inherits a B and a something, it's going to express one of those colors, and so it'll be either pink or teal. But if it inherits two little b's, the white product is going to be epistatic to the colored ones because this B locus is epistatic to the A locus. Here we have our cross where we're doing heterozygous at A, heterozygous at B, and cross to itself. And so here we have our genotypic ratios for each of the loci, and then we can do that branch diagram, and that'll give us 9/16 big A something, big B something, 3/16 big A something, little b, 1/16 little a, little b, 3/16 little a, big B something. And so because we're doing single recessive epistasis, where there's two homozygous recessive B's, those are going to mask any expression at the A locus. And so even though this is the A for a pink, and this would be A's for teal, I'm sorry, you would be teal and you would be pink. But because we have homozygous recessive there, both of those are going to be white. And that's going to give us our phenotypic ratio of 9 teal to 4 white to 1 pink. Our final cross is big A, big B, crossed with little a, big B, little b. So we've got our genotypic ratios there in our branch diagram. And that's actually going to give us an equal ratio across the board for all four options. But because there's no possibility to get homozygous recessive B's, we're only going to express the teal and pink in equal amounts. So our phenotypic ratio is going to be 8 to 8 to 0 because there is no epistasis occurring because of the lack of little b's.